Hello guys, how's it going? Alex the Grandpa here. Hope you're well. Today we've got Audi TT MK3 2-litre TDI in the workshop. This is 2015 model. I'm going to do a quick video for you as part of my full service, how to replace the fuel filter and what you need to do. So if that's something you're interested in, tune in and let's get started. Right guys, so for the fuel filter, I've got a part number here, ADV182312. So anyway, double check it with the reg number to make sure you got the right one. So this is where the fuel filter is located on 2-litre TDI, and it's held in, so this is just basically the cover. It's held in with Torx 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I usually do, I wrap around a rag or a blue roll because it will spill a little bit of diesel there. Try and do this as quick as possible because you have to leave the lid up and the air will start coming into the system. To avoid using diagnostic tool to prime the pump, I would recommend doing it. If you do it quickly, it doesn't get a lot of air in there. So that's pretty much it. So I'm going to show you quickly how to do it. And in case you do get air in the system, the car doesn't want to start afterwards, what I would suggest is turning the ignition on and leaving it on for about 20 seconds every time. And that usually primes it a little bit. Unless you completely drain the whole housing, then I would definitely recommend using the diagnostic tool. Okay, so like I said, blue roll. This is just something that I do, you don't need to. It's just to save having your engine bay stinking of diesel. Just wrap it around there. And get another bit for when you actually got the fuel filter coming out. So this is what the fuel filter looks like. It comes with already O-ring on it, which is really important to make sure it's on properly for when you put it back in there. Because it needs to seal it because you don't want any fuel leaking. So let's just undo that quickly. Now I don't use any impact ratchets on this unless they are seized. I like to feel it coming undone to see if there's any problems, because they are usually quite tight. People overdo them, they don't need to be too tight. So just undo it, make sure you don't lose them. Right, so at this point you might have a bit of diesel coming out. Right, so let's just lift it up and just give it a wiggle. It's only the rubber seal that's holding it in now. I managed to spill quite a bit of fuel, unfortunately. It shouldn't happen. But anyway, at this point, get a blue roll and wipe it around the area where it's going to be sitting. So pushed it out of the way. Unfortunately, I did make a little bit of a mess there, but I'll clean it off with the brake cleaner. So I usually use a flat blade screwdriver. Just lift it up a little bit and try not to make any more mess. There we are. And to be honest, it doesn't look too bad. Right, so looking in there, it's good, no rubbish in there, no metal bits, it's all looking good. What I'll do next is wipe this off and new filter going in. Lower it slowly to make sure the seal stays in place where it's supposed to be, which this one is. You can feel it locating in the middle, and then obviously put your screws back in there. Just start them finger tight first to locate it in place correctly. Do it up, so that's all good. And at this point, all you have to do, like I said, just start it up. Usually, I personally, what I do, turn the ignition on 5 or 6 times for 15 seconds each time. And then start it up, accelerate a little bit straight away to get it pumping, to avoid any air gaps. And then check, after running it for a while, check around the seal to make sure no fuel is coming out, rev it up, make sure no fuel is coming out, and then if there's no leaks, you should be all good. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed the video on the fuel filter replacement. Like I said, if you want to see the full service video, that will be in my playlist as well. Yes, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day. I'll see you later. Bye.